Well, the nice thing about iron casting is that it's done in communities all around the country, and you get to know people that do it. You have a lot of opportunities outside of school to continue working in this fashion. Iron casting is something that our students can sort of learn here and then carry on without a great expense, at least. Today we're gonna cast iron. Students have been making molds for a couple of weeks now and preparing to run our cupola furnace, coke-fired or refined coal-fired furnace that is pretty reminiscent of the way that it was done in the Iron Age, actually. Commercial capacity, iron is done in a different way than this, really, but on a small scale, this is still really the most effective way to cast iron, the most cost-effective, labor-effective. That's kind of why we stick with this on the smaller scale that we work on. We have a lot of undergrads and grad students that come in and get kind of excited about the idea that we can still do this here. They can't do it in a lot of other places. It takes a lot of labor, it takes a lot of staff, it takes a lot of really knowledgeable faculty, and a lot of programs have just shut their foundries down, and we're really happy to be going strong here at SAIC.